Happy New Year, guys, and we now have a new worthy competitor in 360 market, and it is with PilotPano from Labpano. PilotPano is a versatile 360-degree AI camera with 5.7K HD resolution, 4K HD live streaming, 3.1-inch smart touchscreen. It has pilot steady stabilization, 360-degree panorama to flat ultra-wide angle switch, and there is full mic 360-degree audio and 2300 mAh replaceable battery. PilotPano is definitely a worthy competitor in 360-degree market, and first I want to focus on 3 reasons why this camera is better than some other 360-degree cameras out there, and then followed by some key features that you cannot miss in PilotPano.
The most obvious is a 3.1-inch HD touchscreen. It helped me to easily adjust camera settings, preview footages, and also frame an object. Within the huge display, it is very easy to navigate between different menus. You have the option of time-lapse, slow motion, plain video, 360-degree video, photo, and interval photos. And due to the large display, it is so easy to review all the videos that I had taken before. The big display helps me to change the different settings. What's great about PilotPano is that there is an internal storage of 15 gigabytes. You might have noticed that the whole system is based on Android 10. With all these icons, it kind of functions a little bit like a smartphone. I've actually logged this device onto Google. I can go into Street View so that I can actually upload any pictures that I want on Google Maps. For content creators who want to use 360-degree camera, you can actually really easily go on YouTube Live. With the Android OS system, I noticed that this device was easiest, by far the easiest camera that I could actually do YouTube live session. So let's go live. So I just need to quickly press the touch screen. Hey guys. So there is an option to go either 360 or just plain camera. However, of course, we have 360 cameras, so we should try 360. I've already logged on to Young 360 because this is Android system, so logging on to Google super duper easy. And title you can of course change. I'm just gonna keep it because it's a test video, and I've just turned it private because this is for test, but you can go unlisted or public, and I'm just gonna go start live. So I'm gonna show you that on my YouTube studio there is a live session on. I'm just gonna quickly refresh. So I'm already on live with YouTube, and this is, hang on. But you can see that, yeah, 360 degree totally works really well. So wherever you need to show any location and so on, you can do so by actually going live with 360 degree camera. Not too useful at home in my room because my room is a bit of a mess. However, if you are in a very interesting location, if you're doing travel live and so on, then I think it's something that you could totally consider. So there is a little bit of lag on the YouTube live. It really depends on the internet speed that you have at home. You can go live directly on Facebook and also using RTMP directly from PilotPano.
I'm a little bit scared because I'm in the middle of the bridge, in the middle of the sea. But it's such a fantastic day, not even windy, so I'm not scared about my head. But as you guys can see, you guys are seeing me through the 5.7K 360-degree video process in the Pilot app. Don't you guys think the 360-degree video looks fantastic even after process? I mean, today is a beautiful day, so you can't really go wrong with the color and everything because blue sky, blue sea, and nice bright orange bridge. It's really amazing testing out these kind of products because it really pushes you to go to those places where you would never go otherwise.
Inside PilotPano, there is 1/2.3-inch Sony CMOS sensors that provide 5.7K 360-degree video. There are 2 210-degree f2.0 fisheye lenses, and you're now seeing all the videos from PilotPano camera processed in Pilot Go app. As with 360-degree camera, you can change the angle, the perspective as you like. The camera has Pilot Steady real-time stabilization. Inside Pilot Go app, you can process picture-in-picture video, and with picture, I can ensure to crop in or frame in the shot that I want, or make it into just a little planet, make it extra special. Or you can export it as 360-degree photo, and many of the smartphone devices nowadays will support that. And you can keep the precious memory in 360 degrees.
With PilotPano, there is one very interesting function, which is hide the photographers. So now I'm going to show you how I can hide myself from 360-degree photo. So here I'm just going to set up, but of course it has to be somewhere it's very interesting to take a photo. And also you have to be a little bit mindful about the shadow, because right now it's sort of not that late, but late-ish afternoon, so the shadow is very, very long. So here, just turn on the hide the photographer function, which lets you decide what's the countdown for the first shot, and also what's the countdown for the second shot. The default is 3 seconds and 5 seconds, and I feel like those are enough. So I'm just gonna quickly press. So it's gonna take the picture of the front first, and then I need to quickly hide away. Whoa. Okay. My shadow was showing, so I had to completely get out of the side. So this is the result that you get, 360 degree without the photographer in the picture. So yeah, I have disappeared from the photo, and with 3.1-inch massive display, I can definitely check that I'm not inside the photo. So this whole thing is actually processed within the camera. Super easy for me to actually just post online, and it'll be really handy if you're using Google Map, or if you're using this camera for professional use such as property. If you guys are more into not 360, but you just want sort of flat GoPro action, if you just want the flat camera, then here you go. I am actually holding it with a selfie stick provided in the package, and this is a play mode at 150 degrees, and this is 135 degrees, and this is 120 degrees, and this is 90 degrees, so smallest field of view, 90 degrees. This is now field of view 150 degrees. I love how this is wide, super duper wide, and the aspect ratio is at 16:9, so more suitable for YouTube videos like what you see right now. And this is 1:1, another aspect ratio. So there are 3 aspect ratio. One is basically vertical, and the next one is horizontal, and this is 1:1, which is perfect for Instagram, etc.
And don't forget to try out the time-lapse as well as interval photos.
PilotPano, because it sort of works like a separate Android device, it connects to the Wi-Fi system, the central Wi-Fi system, and then connects to my smartphone. So because it is utilizing my centralized Wi-Fi router system, so transferring any 2 files between these 2 devices and actually editing all these 360-degree videos on the smartphone, I noticed that actually the file transfer is super fast, and also editing is really fast, the processing is fast, and exporting the file was really, really fast. In the outdoor setting, of course, you can just connect it via each other's hotspot. So it is very flexible to use. Either connect it directly on the Wi-Fi or utilize and maximize using the centralized Wi-Fi system. So if you want to find more about this PilotPano new exciting 360-degree camera, then do check the link down below, and I'll be back with other interesting tech gadget reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!